When installing Sonex Rondo baffles, mark a dot at least 3 inches in from each edge of the baffle and centered on the width of the baffle. Optimal placement is between 4 inches and 8 inches when hung horizontally. Center the corkscrew hanger over the dot. Holding the hanger vertically, press down lightly and turn. Allow the downward pressure to pierce the foam, but do not poke the hanger point into the foam. If necessary, spray the hanger with a dry lubricant. If the hanger pops out of the side of the baffle, start over at a different point. Do not try to restart in the same place. Turn the corkscrew hanger clockwise until it is completely seated and the top coil of the hanger is touching the edge of the baffle.